Hi, I'm Karen, an instructor here at the AromaHead Institute. Thank you for watching our AromaHead YouTube channel. This blend I am making with you is called Lavender and Aloe Rescue Spray. Kids often get themselves into some rough and tumble situations and need immediate skin support. This spray is an excellent choice to keep handy, either for when you're out or at home. When this spray is not in use, I like to keep it in the refrigerator to maximize the shelf life. I will often make a fresh bottle every few weeks, as both the Lavender Hydrosol and the Aloe Vera gel are water-based and this blend doesn't have a preservative. I am making this blend in a 2-ounce PET plastic spray bottle. It's small enough to travel with. Add 1/2 ounce of aloe vera gel, and I'm just going to eyeball this. Aloe is known for its cooling and very skin healing properties. Set that to the side. So notice in this blend, we're actually going to make 1.5 ounces. So I can eyeball this to 1/2 ounce. And next I will add 1 ounce of Lavender Hydrosol. Lavender Hydrosol is cooling and it helps to cleanse as well as slightly numbs the area that provides additional relief. So again, I know that's going to be about up to here, or I can use a measuring container. There we go. Smells amazing. Next, we'll add our essential oils. All of these essential oils are known for their skin nourishing properties. Add 4 drops of frankincense. This is Boswellia carteri. Got our 4 drops in there. Came out pretty quickly. This oil works on many levels. It quiets the mind, and it is also well known for helping with painful situations. This oil allows the skin to repair itself and helps to relax our breathing. Our next oil is Helichrysum italicum. We'll add 3 drops of this to our blend. There we go. Might have gotten an extra drop in there. And if that's the case, don't worry about this. Helichrysum italicum is very skin nourishing, and it helps to slow bleeding, dissipate bruising, and discourages infection. Next, we'll add 2 drops of lavender oil, Lavandula angustifolia. This is an essential oil that most of us have in our natural first aid cupboard. 2 drops of lavender. Lavender calms, soothes, nurtures, reduces anxiety and fear, and helps calm and control distressing, nervous feelings. This oil is also powerfully supportive of the skin's natural repair process, perfect in our blend. And finally, add 1 ml of soluble for every 4 drops of essential oil to help the essential oils disperse evenly into the hydrosol and the aloe vera gel. This is very helpful in a water-based carrier to keep your oils well blended. In this recipe, we are adding 2 ml of soluble using a graduated cylinder, as I'm using here. I've already poured in my soluble, and now I will just add that to my blend. See how easy this is? Add the sprayer on and shake well. Disperse the soluble with essential oils, and then just spray it gently over any of the areas where the skin needs some support, like a scrape or a sting or a sunburn. It can help to protect smaller abrasions until you can wash the area with soap and water. So it's very easy, it's very effective, and it's a great oil to have in your first aid cupboard. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.